What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. I'm going to be doing a keto recipe today. We're going to be making some zoodles with a little bit of egg, some soy sauce, kind of like a stir-fry type of deal. It's going to be really delicious and simple, so let's get right to work. All right, so let's go over our ingredients really quick. We have here about 3 cloves of finely minced fresh garlic. I have about 1.5 cups of shredded cabbage. This here is minced sweet peppers. They're not bell peppers, they're these other smaller peppers, but I finely minced them just to add some color to the dish, some red. I have some minced jalapenos here, and these are minced yellow bell peppers. I'll be using about 1/4 of a lime in the end, just to put it over to give it a little bit of acidity. I have 2 organic eggs. I'll be using 1 zucchini to make the zoodles with. This is sesame oil. This is actually chili oil. It's got some chili flakes in it. I'll put the link to this recipe on the iCard above. Soy sauce. And I'll be using this zoodle maker. This is the really simple one. I'm actually gonna put a link where you can get this below on the links on the description, but basically this is how it works. So basically we make the noodles with this, and it's pretty easy. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to our wok and start our aromatics with the garlic. Alright, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of peanut oil in our wok. You could use any other cooking oil that you like to use. Garlic. Gonna go ahead and drop in our eggs. The eggs will cook really fast, so then we'll just drop the rest of our veggies in. And our zoodles will be last, and they only take a couple of seconds to cook. You don't want to overcook those because they will turn to mush. So just in this order. Now we will add our cabbage and other veggies in. Mix that in. I'm going to lower the heat here to medium-high to let it sweat a little bit while we do our zoodles. And I'll show you guys exactly how to do that now. Alright, so this is really simple. Basically just cut the ends off your zucchini. Then with the zoodle maker, what we're going to do is I'm going to use the wider end, which makes the thicker noodles, which is this end here. It says thick on it. So we're going to start. Basically just push this through. And they're going to come out like noodles at the other end. And what I like to do is I like to cut them so they're not too crazy long. So like every 8 to 10 inches or so, I cut them. When you get towards the end, you take this little piece that comes with it and you just kind of push it through. Usually that'll help push it through, but in this case I think the zucchini was too soft. So I'm just gonna finish whatever I can manually, and then we'll just cut that off. So out of that zucchini, got a good amount of zoodles, as you can see. I'm just gonna cut them a couple of times so they're not crazy long. And now we're gonna go ahead and stir our cabbage some and then drop this in it just for like 1 or 2 minutes max, just to soften them up a little bit, and then we'll throw our sauce on and get them ready on the plate. Alright guys, so now we got the zoodles in here. Toss it around a little bit just to soften them up. And this is 100% keto friendly. Everything in here is very low carb. So I didn't use any onions or any veggies that would have too much sugar. Use very little peppers. So now we're going to add a little bit of soy sauce, a tablespoon or so. You could add crushed peanuts to this at the end, add a little bit of flavor, texture. And the final touch now, we're going to add some sesame oil. Give it a nice nutty sesame oil flavor. And since this one's got chili in it, hot sesame oil is going to also add some heat. So pretty much all set. We're ready to serve. I'll give this a try for you guys once it's served. Okay, so there you have it, guys. There it is. Basically, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put a little bit of lime juice over it to add a little bit of acidity. And you could throw some cilantro here to add some cilantro freshness to it. Also, some crushed peanuts will go fine. So it's pretty much done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys really soon on the next one. Alright, so I'm gonna give this recipe a try, let you guys know how it tastes. Super nice crunch, has a nice flavor of the garlic in the background. The egg makes it taste really, really good. The soy sauce has that Asian taste to it. Totally delicious. Super simple. You could easily make this for lunch in 10 minutes if you guys wanted to. And so many different ways that you can create with it.